Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best car wash mitts on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Chemical Guy's Chenille Premium Scratch-Free Microfiber Wash Mitt. The Chemical Guy's Chenille Microfiber Premium Scratch-Free Wash Mitt is extra plush and fluffy, and holds tons of suds to make any car wash a fun and safe experience. Microfiber is the best car washing material because it is extra soft, extra absorbent, and helps protect against swirls and scratches. The plush microfiber noodles of the Chenille Microfiber Wash Mitt absorb clean wash water and fresh car wash soap, and put it down on filthy paint where they're needed most. Clean off abrasive dirt, grit, and grime without scratching or swirling paint, glass, metal, or optical plastic on any vehicle. Use the 2-bucket method whenever cleaning any vehicle to drastically reduce the chances of scratching with every wipe of the mitt. The giant microfiber noodles lift and trap dirt away from sensitive surfaces to protect them from scratches, and the bright green microfiber highlights dirt and debris, so any detailer knows when to rinse it clean for a scratch-free shine. The Chenille Microfiber Car Wash Mitt is made only with high-quality materials. Premium 70/30ths blended microfiber stays softer for longer than cheap auto parts store mitts, and a double-stitched wrist cuff fits the mitt snugly to any hand for comfortable detailing. Throw the Chenille Microfiber Wash Mitt in the washing machine with the microfiber towels to maintain a clean, soft, and fluffy feel for years of scratch-less car washing and detailing. Clean any daily driver, pristine show car, or work truck with the Chemical Guy's Chenille Microfiber Premium Car Wash Mitt. Number 2. Our second best pick is Meguiar's X3002 Microfiber Super Thick Reusable Wash Mitt. If you've ever bought any products for your car, you'll most likely have heard of the Meguiar's brand. If you're loyal to their brand, they've got this microfiber wash mitt that you may be interested in. The great thing about this product is that it's versatile. You can use it for washing your car as well as detailing. This is a possibility because it can be used either dry or wet, it's your choice. This material is also relatively absorbent, which means fewer trips over to the bucket, and can easily spread suds around the body of your vehicle. You can wear it like a glove and the elastic cuff will make sure it doesn't fall off. Features. This wash mitt is made of super absorbent microfiber to carry more suds for faster, safer washing. Incredibly soft lint-free microfiber lifts and traps dirt and grime for a brilliant, swirl-free finish. The ultimate wash mitt for show car perfect finishes. 8 into 10 inches hand wash mitt, machine washable and reusable. Can be used with traditional car wash soap or use dry with Meguiar's Quick Detailer Mist and Wipe. Number 3. Our third best pick is Amazon Basics Deluxe Microfiber Car Wash Mitt. Why have one car wash mitt when you can have 2? With this 2-pack, you can polish and shine up your car without scratching the body. These are designed from soft microfiber and they're lint-free, so you can look forward to seeing no dust-like strands on your vehicle after cleaning. Of course, the noodle design captures the dirty particles that you don't want. This can help bring out your car's true paint color and make it look as good as new. Also, this mitt can absorb up to an impressive 7 times its weight in water. Because of this, you'll be able to spread around your suds and clean faster. Since you get 2 mitts in a pack, you can use them for different parts of your car. For example, you can dedicate one to use for your paintwork and dedicate the other to use for your wheels. You could also use one of them for cleaning your car and the other for drying. Again, this is going to be up to you. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Relentless Drive Premium Car Wash Mitt. 8 into 10 inches Premium Microfiber Car Wash Mitt. This wash mitt is a premium double-sided chenille microfiber to soak up much more soap and water than the competition. Professional quality. You won't be left with lint, scratches or swirls. Secure and comfortable cuff. Super thick, ultra-absorbent microfiber strands. Use it dry to dust and wet to wash. Use it on your car, truck, motorcycle, SUV, RV, or boat. It works great in the house too. Use it on any surface. 100% satisfaction guarantee. The ultimate car wash mitt is simply the best microfiber wash mitt available on Amazon. Once you wash your car with the ultimate car wash mitt, you will never trust your car's finish to any other wash mitt. If you want the cheapest wash mitt you can find, buy the competition. If you want the best, then buy the ultimate car wash mitt today. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is anngrowy 62-inch microfiber car wash brush mop kit, mitt sponge with long handle. The car detailing truck washing brush is the perfect helper for washing, drying, waxing, dusting and polishing your vehicles or household. Not only can you wash a truck, bus, SUV, motorcycle, RV, boat, but the car washing accessories are awesome for windows, dusting, ceiling fans, outdoor sheds, boat, kids slides, outdoor structures and your home accessories. One wash car mop can use wet or dry to solve your different cleaning needs. The long pole truck wash brush uses the method of stuck fixing method to make the truck washing equipment rod stable and firm, better than many car washing mops on the market, not stretch or retract at will, no scratch your car or make you lose the patience to wash cars, and also provide a 180-degree angle for easy cleaning. Non-slip grip and adjustable car wash mop heads to ensure it holds tightly when cleaning. Anngrowy car wash sponge mop head works in a way that it collects the particles of grime and dirt by trapping them into the washing mitt fibers. That way microfiber car wash mop head ensures that there is no scratching or harming your paintwork, delivering a scratch-free, lint-free and swirl-free finish for peace of mind and superior results. After the pole of the car wash brush is disassembled, the car cleaning brush head can be used as a car wash mitt, sponge, rag to make a super easy car cleaning. When truck washing brushes are combined together, it will be a 62-inch long handle mop. Flow-through handles can extend up to 157 cm or 62 inches, 118 cm or 46.3 inches, 83 cm or 32.6 inches or 46 cm or 18 inches. You can manually adjust the handle to control the length to fulfill your different cleaning needs. Buy one pack car wash kit for the best value. 1x aluminum alloy 62-inch long handle car wash pole, 2x chenille microfiber mop heads. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.